In this video, I'll show you how to build a website using Replit. First, go to the Replit website and make sure you are logged in. Once you are on the home page, you will see a prompt box on the screen. Just below that prompt box, click on Web App. Now, type your idea into the prompt box. For example, you can type something like landing page for my t-shirt store. Once you have typed your idea, click on Start Chat. Replit will start generating your project automatically. Just give it a few seconds to work. Once the design is ready, you can preview it and see exactly what your website looks like. From here, you can make edits. You can change the colors, update the text, swap out images, and adjust anything to match your style. After you are happy with how everything looks, click on Publish in the top right corner. This will make your website live. You'll get a link that you can share with anyone. And if you ever want to come back and make changes, Replit lets you edit your website anytime. You can update the design, add new features, or improve the code whenever you want. That is how you do it.